Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about multiple sources of income, and in particular the 5 sources of income that I personally have that allowed me to quit the 9 to 5. So make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel. There's videos every Monday and Thursday, and let's jump into it. So multiple sources of income. What are multiple sources of income? Well, basically it's having money come into your bank account every month from different places. So rather than how people traditionally rely on one source of income, they rely on their job, they have one person paying them every month. People who have a multiple source of income, they have money coming in from multiple different directions. And the benefit of having multiple sources of income is you're not putting all your eggs into one basket. Whereas if you only have one source of income, like I said, traditionally people rely on their job, their 9 to 5. If that single source of income is cut off, you have no money coming in and you're screwed. So if you get fired from your job or you have to quit for some reason, you've got no money coming in and you're forced into decisions. You're forced to having to find another job to replace that source of income. You have to make rash decisions and you're never really technically free. Whereas if you have multiple sources of income, like I said, I have 5. Say I had a 9 to 5 job and I have my other 4 sources of income. If I got fired from that job, I'd still have 4 other sources of income coming every month into my bank account and acting as a financial cushion. So I wouldn't have to rush into making decisions of finding the next source of money. I'd have a safety net and I'd be able to make decisions that were really true to myself and really resembled what I wanted to be doing in life, rather than being forced into a decision that I wasn't comfortable about. And if you've got any sources of income, maybe the same to what I use in my life or different that other people would find useful to know about, let us know what sources of income you have in your life in the comment box below. So as some of you long-time subscribers may know, I started this YouTube channel 2 years ago. I just quit my 9 to 5. I was unhappy working the 9 to 5 rat race, climbing the career ladder, and I jumped off onto a plane to Canada and decided to start this new chapter of my life. A new chapter where I wanted to be more independent. I didn't want to rely on the traditional 9 to 5 and rely on that old way of getting money, you know, and being capped basically by how much money you could earn for your job. I wanted to find new ways of making money, of becoming more independent, of adding freedom into my life. So I started this channel 2 years ago, and what I've been doing is I've been building new sources of income into my life ever since then. And today I have 5 main sources of income that are coming into my bank account and allowing me to not have a 9 to 5 job. So I really reached my first goal of quitting the 9 to 5, quitting the career rat race and becoming independent. I've done that in the 2 short years since starting this channel. And in the future, I plan on building and scaling up, adding more sources of income and becoming more successful than I ever could have by following a boss and working for someone else in a 9 to 5 job. So let's not waste any more time. Let's jump into my 5 sources of income that I use to quit the 9 to 5. So the first source of income, and probably the most obvious to you all watching these videos, is my YouTube ad revenue. That's the money that YouTube pays me every month for making these videos and releasing them on this channel. So obviously when I started this channel, I didn't get any money for doing these videos, and that was the case for a very long time. That's quite a high threshold that YouTube puts in place before it starts paying you money. But the thing with having a channel and making content and making more and more content is once you start making money through your videos, the amount you make every month starts to increase and increase every month. So it starts very slow and then you see a very nice increase on the amount you make every month. And now it's about 2 years into having this channel, I'm making around $800 a month purely through YouTube videos alone. So you know, $800 from one source of income plus 4 other sources of income is already getting me part of the way there, 1/5 of the way there to being completely independent and living off my sources of income outside of the 9 to 5 every month. Alright, so the next source of income that I have in my life, number 2, is affiliate marketing. So a quick explanation of what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is basically when you are talking about other people's products and you refer the people you're talking to the company's website, and the people you were talking to buy that product. What happens then is the company who own the product, they pay you a referral bonus for recommending their product and encouraging a sale. So I've got an online presence through this YouTube channel, and I talk a lot about other products that I've been using in my life to become successful and independent. And you know, people watching these videos obviously have the same ambitions as me, the same desires. So I'm talking about products that I've been using, that have been working for me. It's only natural that my audience would probably want to buy those products as well. So through my online presence, I talk about products that I really love and I really recommend to other people. And every so often someone will come from my videos or from maybe a blog post that I've written and go to that company and buy that product. And in that instance, I will get a referral bonus for making that recommendation and encouraging a sale. So from affiliate marketing, I make on average anywhere between $600 and maybe $1,200 a month. So that's a really strong source of income for me. It's probably the most lucrative source of income that I have in my life right now. So ad revenue from YouTube, from putting ads on my videos, and affiliate marketing are the first 2 of 5 sources of income that I have that allow me to quit the 9 to 5. Okay, source of income number 3 is Amazon merch t-shirt sales. So for those of you who don't know what Amazon merch is, it's a program through Amazon that allows you as an individual, or me in this instance, to upload designs to Amazon, and then Amazon will put that design on a t-shirt, display it on Amazon.com, and if you make a sale of your design through Amazon.com, Amazon will print that t-shirt for you and send it to the customer. So me, as a designer, all I have to do is upload a design and Amazon does all of the work for me. And then when I make a sale on my design, Amazon gives me money for that sale. It gives me a royalty. So on average, you make around $2 to $6 for every t-shirt you sell. So I've only been doing Amazon merch for a few months now, in the very early stages. My last month, I made $27 from Amazon merch. So very small, but I've been increasing every month the amount of profit that I've been getting through Amazon merch. And I think in the next 5-6 months, this could be an additional lucrative source of income for me. So it's not making me as much money as the affiliate marketing or the YouTube advertising, but it's a new source of income that I'm building up. It's in the early stages, I'm building it up, and I'm hoping will be another pillar of income that's as strong as the others in a few months' time. So those are the first 3 sources of income in my life at the moment. Number 4 is student scholarships. So for those long-time viewers of this channel, you'll know that I came back to university in September just gone. We're in May 2018. In September 2017, I came back to university to study a master's degree in entrepreneurship. So coming to university, I applied for a scholarship. There was one scholarship going for the whole class, you know, people that showed potential and a lot of dedication to entrepreneurship. And out of over 30 people, I received a £5,000 scholarship to come back to university and study this course. And since I've been back in university, I've won other business competitions that have totaled another £4,000 of scholarship money. So in total, I've been given £9,000 by my university to study this degree. So £9,000 over 2 years, plus my $800 a month from YouTube advertising, plus my $600 to $1,200 a month from affiliate marketing, and then my other pillar of Amazon merch I'm looking to build up. That's 4 sources of income in my life that allow me to not have a 9 to 5. Okay, and the 5th and final source of income that I'm currently using is a 9 to 5. Let me explain. So I am now working 1 day a week in an office. You may be thinking, you know, sell out, this video is all about not working 9 to 5 and how you can be financially free. True, and I also said one of the benefits of having multiple sources of income is that you're not forced into a situation you don't want to be in. And what I found is over the last year and a half, I really sort of developed a passion for creating content, creating, you know, videos, blog posts, and I wanted to learn how this was done professionally so I can use it to my advantage with my own personal projects. And because, you know, I wanted to learn these skills, I thought it would be really good to be able to get involved with an advertising media agency and learn how they work inside a corporate environment. And what happened was, I was able to secure a 1 day a week, well actually just 6 hours in 1 day a week position in an advertising agency where I could bring the skills that I have developed from having this YouTube channel, so content creation, social media marketing, I could bring those skills to the advertising company and help them progress in their business. And in return, I'd be able to learn the practices, the tricks, and the approaches they have to working in the media industry and working on the type of content and projects that I want to work on. And the fact that I had these 4 sources of income already meant that I had a lot more sort of weight, a lot of leverage. It wasn't a do or die situation to get a job. I didn't need it to survive. It was a luxury, it was a choice I could go into because I wanted to pursue that passion. And that meant that I was actually able to be quite comfortable in negotiating my salary. I didn't have to take a bad salary because I already had 4 sources of income supporting me that wasn't forcing me into a financial decision. And also it meant that I was able to go towards jobs that I really thought about and identified as having the skills I wanted to learn. I wasn't forced into a situation. So yeah, I'm working just under 1 day a week, but that was completely a choice. It was a symbiotic relationship, and it's going to develop and help me and progress outside of work with the skills that I want to use independently. So that freedom and that flexibility is just one of the many advantages you can get from having multiple sources of income in your life. The book Multiple Sources or Multiple Streams of Income explains that way better than me, a bumbling mess, explains it in this video. So I'd recommend anyone reading it. But since I introduced multiple streams of income into my life and took this new journey in life, it's completely changed how I feel about money, how I approach money, and just how stressed I am and how comfortable I am in life. And in the future, I plan on adding even more sources of income to my life. I've started investing in cryptocurrency, so I'm hoping my investments there will add more money into my bank account every month. I'm hoping I'm going to make money from my investments in cryptocurrency and see a nice return. That's going to be a 6th source of income that I add to my life in the future if that goes well. And finally, I'm working on a software business idea that I hope is going to generate revenue and be my 7th source of income, which I'll explain on this channel very soon. I've just finished writing a business plan for that. So if you want to see or hear about my new business idea, write business plan in the comments below and I'll make some videos in the future about that. But yeah, that's it really guys. It is possible to quit the 9 to 5 and to live a financially free, independent life. I started this channel 2 years ago wanting to do just that. I'm not from a rich family, a wealthy background. I need money in my life to survive. There's no safety blanket of like family inheritance or any of that stuff. So I'm the same as anyone else watching these videos, any different financial backgrounds, I can relate to you. It is possible. It just takes time, focus, a specific goal you're working to. It takes time and effort. So stick at it. Like I said, read the book if you want some more information about how this can be used in your life financial freedom. Subscribe to this channel, starting up for more videos like this, talking about how you can become more independent in life, succeed online. I make videos every Monday and Friday. Really appreciate you all watching this video and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye.